In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view class comments in Google Classroom. Class comments are the public discussion attached to an assignment that everyone in the class can see. They're great for asking general questions, sharing resources, or clarifying instructions so the whole group benefits. Just remember, these are different from private comments, which are one-on-one messages between a student and the teacher. Start on the Google Classroom homepage if you're already inside a class. You can use the main menu to return to the home view where all your classes are listed. This keeps everything organized and makes it easy to jump into the right place without digging through older pages. Next, click on your class. You'll see a tile for each class you're enrolled in or teaching. In the example you're seeing, the class is labeled Sample, but on your screen it will show the actual name of your class. Opening the class takes you to its stream or classwork area, depending on how your teacher has things set up. Now open the assignment you want to check. In our example, it's called Reflection Paper. You can find it from the Classwork tab or right from the stream if it was recently posted. Clicking the assignment opens its details page where you'll see the instructions, any attachments, and submission status. On the assignment details page, locate the class comments section. Depending on your device and window size, it may appear beneath the instructions or off to the side. This section is where the public conversation lives. If your teacher has enabled class comments, you'll see existing messages here, along with the option to add your own. If you don't see this area, it may be collapsed or comments might be turned off for that assignment. Click on a class comment to expand the thread and view any replies. This is useful if a conversation is longer than a single line. You can read through the context, see who posted what, and follow the flow of the discussion. If you're adding a reply, keep it clear and relevant so your classmates can easily follow along. For questions that only your teacher needs to see, look for the private comments area on the side and use that instead. That's all there is to it. Go to the Classroom homepage, open your class, select the assignment, view the class comments area, and click into a comment to read the full thread. Use class comments for general, class-wide questions, and private comments for personal feedback or grading issues. Thanks for watching, and happy learning in Google Classroom.